I've never forgotten, I think I was about 6 years of age, and it was like, wow, Mum, we've died and gone to heaven. I'm going to give you some pointers for the big night. So, if you're feeling adventurous, follow this. You need a really nice, robust tart. What we're looking for is a really nice, broad, the most popular bird in the country, flexible body, semi-firm breasts, but quite bouncy. And then just lift up the skirt, and they get excited, so they look wet. Open up the legs, 2 beautiful thighs, 3 fingers, get your hand and almost treat your hand like a sort of whisk. Push your fingers in there and it's nice and moist and smelling very fragrant.
The amazing tinned anchovy is a natural flavour enhancer.
And that confirms she's ready for up and down motion. That's not rocket science, is it? That's common sense. Do not be scared about the bottom. Don't worry. That's classed as the dark brown Rolls-Royce part. It's full of flavour. So treat it with some respect and get really nice and comfortable. And then turn her over. The smell of that is almost like being at the seaside. And bang, up the butt. And this is where you need a small knob. Imagine you're holding a tennis racket or a little whisk. And then confident grip, firm push, 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 push. Straight in the butt. Crack. And get it in there. And just up and down. Up and down. Thousands of them. And every time, it's 4.5 minutes. It feels and sounds a little bit weird. And it's so easy to cream in literally minutes. Now the secret now is to make sure that we definitely don't go for a pee. Hold back and wait. And then bang, out. This is that moment when you open the vault and that little magic inside is all yours. Bang, it pops out. You get to release it from the bottom and just drip a nice white creamy liquid down the bottom to give it some form of decoration. Just almost like a little tap and just let it drizzle out. Now, don't touch your face, especially your eyes. It smells like fish. It's strong, it's slightly sour, but it's creamy and it's packed with fucking grease. That smells amazing. That smells amazing. And that, for me, takes me back to when I was 6 years of age. And I thought I'd just won the lottery. That is incredible.
The best start to Christmas Day anyone could wish for.